The score is 54-57. Carl is beating his ass.
With Kelly Daddy. Come on, Kelly.
Charlotte versus Utah. 49 seconds left. Kelly Oubre for... Oh.
Kelly.
Oh. It's okay because I lost last game from this guy. Oh, he's mad. 57-60. Yo, that nigga just flew in the air. 31 seconds. 29 seconds, actually. Oh, damn, man. Come on, shoot that, bro. Right there, pass it back.
My ball. Give it to Kelly. Give him 53.
Ah. Damn, they're yelling MVP.
I'll give you a chance.
Oh, CLT, clip. What?
Yellow jersey because it's the number 1. That's why it's CL1T.
What the hell? Oh, it died. Damn, man.
Dude, son's killed.
Lakers?
Freaking Joshua Kobe hit the Lakers.
Alright, now we got how many seconds? 3 seconds left.
Hey, I'll leave Mark one open.
Darren inbounding the ball. Marking it for the 3 and he... Oh, yo. Damn, bro. Hey, how do you feel, bro?
Huh?
How do you feel about that loss, bro? How do you feel, Carl? How do you feel that you won that game? To 760. We're doing a post-game interview, man. We're gonna interview the gamers.
So it's okay because the end he was just 14. It's okay because this guy sucks. Bro, you lucky I didn't use Curry, bro. Okay, man.
Was that Plumlee? Alright. See you later.